Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 1/7, 1/7, the recurring decimal champion, the fraction whose decimal expansion produces the longest repeating cycle you'll ever meet at GCSE. 6 digits, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, that go round and round forever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why, and you'll spot 1/7 in every disguise it wears. Quick identity check. 1/7 is positive. 1/7 is rational. As a decimal, it's 0.142857 recurring. As a percentage, it's about 14.3%. And the recurring block is 6 digits long, the maximum possible for a fraction with a single digit prime denominator. That maximal cycle length is why 1/7 is special. Multiples of 1/7. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, 7/7, which is 1. Every seventh multiple lands on a whole number. The ones in between are recurring decimals, and here's the magic. They all use the same 6 digits, just rotated. So 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, same 142857, starting in a different place each time. Powers of 1/7. 1/7 to the 1 is 1/7. Squared is 1/49. Cubed is 1/343. Fourth is 1/2401. Denominators are powers of 7, all recurring as decimals. The decimal expansions get longer and uglier with each power. Symbolic form is king here. Don't convert to a decimal unless the question forces you. The 142857 trick, 1/7 equals 0.142857 recurring. 2/7 uses the same 6 digits but starting from a different point. 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, all the same rotation. The reason? 142857 times 7 equals 99999. That's literally why 1/7 recurs at all. It's 99999 divided by 7, divided by 1,000,000. Key relationships. 1/7 is approximately 0.142857 recurring. Each fraction, n/7, is a rotation of that 6-digit cycle. Any decimal showing that pattern is some n/7 in disguise. 1/7 plus 6/7 always equals 1. And 7 being prime is exactly why its reciprocal cycle has the maximum possible length. 6 digits for denominator 7. Where 1/7 shows up in your exam, probability, 1 in 7 is the classic day of the week setup. Recurring decimals, 1/7 has the longest cycle they'll throw at you. Number theory questions about prime reciprocal cycles. Ratio problems where things comes in sevens. And standard form. 1/7 is approximately 1.43 times 10 to the minus 1. Spot it once, you'll spot it everywhere. Where 1/7 hides, 142857 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, same 6 digits each time, just rotated. 1/7 plus 6/7 equals 1, always. And any decimal that starts 0.142857 on your calculator is some n/7, no matter what the question said it was. That's the spotting trick worth memorizing. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.